Well, we could do a whole training on the obstacles. At the end of the day, these are the 4 biggest things that stop people from achieving success, and especially when it comes to achieving success in online marketing. They don't have enough money to be able to buy all the tools, to be able to buy all the courses, to be able to buy all the programs, to be able to afford advertising, to be able to pay for outsourcers, to be able to hire anybody, to be able to scale. Anyways, it goes on and on. Lack of money stops people. A lot of people are just working check to check. And so they always think about wanting to start up a side hustle or a side business or an online business, but they don't have enough money. Or maybe they do have enough money. Maybe they got a 6-figure job. They got a little bit of money in savings, but they don't have enough time. They're just working 80 hours a week. They've got a family. They're tired when they get home from work. They've got to commute to and from. And at the end of the day, they'd rather just sit down, watch a Netflix episode and pass out and do it all again. Maybe they got time on the weekends or holidays. Over here, lack of skills. This is a huge one. People would like to be able to get started making money online, but they don't know how. They don't know what to do. They don't know how to do it properly. Maybe they've tried before and it didn't work out. They weren't good enough. Gaining skills is also part of the journey. That's very important. That's one of the big obstacles. But the biggest one is going to be fear. Fear essentially is the obstacle of, what are people going to think of me? What if I'm not good enough? I don't know how to sell. I don't know how to speak. I'm not as good looking as this person. People are going to judge me. I'll come across salesy to my friends, or the list goes on and on. What happens is we make excuses based on our fear, right? The easy answer is to step out of our comfort zones and do it anyways, but it's easier said than done. It's actually quite hard to step out of your comfort zone and tackle these things, right?